supplies, but then we have all of this stuff left over from a ski trip. Plus a bed. Eric's new prized possession is this, and my job is to open it. Okay.
For now. So you're going to make sure that the teeth on the offside. Like that. Okay, and that's good for you?
Straight down. And how far? All the way?
Let's see. Go take this tip and put it over here. Yeah. You're only going to be able to go to the goal.
Can I hold that side? Yes.
How's that look?
You look beautiful. Also, the bed looks great.
Okay, we're going to need a spacer on the bottom. So I have to put spacers.
That's the first piece in. PD approved. Getting started on the second piece. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Did I measure right?
Yeah, no, the measurement isn't wrong.
Almost done. Almost done.
Almost done.
I realize as I'm editing this vlog that you cannot tell why we complete the bed and then redo the bed. So the problem is the bed was too high, and I don't have any footage of that. The bed was built way too high, so the next day we had to chop down the 4x4s and make it a little bit shorter. So that's what you're gonna watch next. Excuse me, you can't be with the saws.
He doesn't know. He's a baby.
Go get in your spot. Go.
This is lame.
What?
The clamp barely has clearance between the wall.
Do you have enough room?
I should get it to work. I just don't like the way it's holding. Wait a minute. Do you see Peter?
Yeah.
Okay.
His leash is beep beep. He sits.
2 long screws.
These two?
Those 2 long screws?
I don't know if I can do it. Like this?
Anywhere you can get it done.
I'm scared. I'm scared it's gonna hurt.
Do you want me to do it? What setting is that on?
Something wrong?
No. Let me see the battery. Let's see the thing. Maybe it's dying. Yeah, the battery's dead.
Oh. Oh God.
Okay, go to bed.